Welcome to our tutorial on how to mention multiple users in a Twitter comment on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open x.com on your PC's web browser. Once you're on the site, log into your Twitter account. Next, locate the tweet you wish to comment on. This could be a tweet from your timeline, a search result, or a profile page. Now, it's time to craft your comment. Type out the message you want to share and remember to leave a space at the end. To tag a specific user in your comment, type the A symbol followed by a comma and then the username of the person you want to mention. For example, username. After typing the username, a list of suggestions will appear. Select the correct profile from the list to tag that user in your comment. To mention multiple users in the same comment, simply repeat the process for each additional user you want to tag. Once you have tagged all the users you wish to mention, click on the Post button to share your comment with the tagged users. By following these steps, you can effectively engage and interact with multiple users in your Twitter comments. Enhance your conversations and connections on Twitter using this tagging method. Thank you for watching, and happy tweeting!